Okay, get this. GitHub Copilot's generating an average of 46% of a user's code as of mid-2025. Peaks at 61% for Java devs. Hit 20 million users by July, adding 5 million in 3 months. And the 2025 Stack Overflow survey? Over 49,000 developers say 84% use or plan AI tools. But bootcamps? Still teaching you to author code. AI already commoditized that. Like memorizing cursive, the year voice-to-text drops. Technically a skill. Totally irrelevant. If AI writes nearly half the code, what is a human developer actually supposed to learn? But the problem isn't the wrong language. It's the wrong skill entirely. 84% using it or planning to. But positive sentiment dropped from 72% to 60% year over year. 46% actively distrust AI accuracy. Only 33% trust it. 3% highly trust outputs. Experienced devs? Highest distrust at 20%, and 45% say almost right AI code that drags debugging forever is frustration number one. Nearly 80% of new devs fire up Copilot in their first GitHub week. It's like a restaurant where 84% of staff eat there, but 46% won't recommend the food. Adoption distrust gap screaming something broken. But that gap isn't just stats, reveals how everyone's learning wrong. Devs accept roughly 30% of AI suggestions, retain 88% of what they take. Newbies on Copilot Week 1? Functioning as transcribers, not engineers. Bootcamps drill authoring syntax. 2026 needs auditing AI output, AI's pattern matching, no business logic, no domain smarts. Skip problem-solving foundations? Miss security holes like broken auth flows, missing controls. Scanners won't catch them. Like student pilots handed autopilot before reading gauges. Smooth till turbulence. What does right learning look like? Why order matter? But this trap hits individuals. Science names what happens when you overtrust AI. Harvard Business School and BCG studied 758 elite consultants, 18 tasks inside AI's frontier. AI users? 12.2% more tasks, 25.1% faster, 40% higher quality. Boosted below average folks? 43%. Tops just 17%. Outside frontier? AI users 19 points less likely correct. Falling asleep at the wheel. Mid-2025. METR. 16 open source pros took 19% longer with AI. Felt 20% faster. 39-point perception gap. AI crushes boilerplate, fumbles constraints, edges, feels speedy at 80 while crawling 50. Confident. Wrong. So danger? AI selectively bad, undetectable unless you know the turf. 2026 Sonar report. Over 1,100 devs. AIs. 42% of committed code. Hits. 65% by 2027. 96% don't fully trust it functional. Only 48% always check before commit. Fourfold code cloning spike. Tech debt piles. Juniors ship looks correct. Sans idempotency. Edges. AWS CTO Werner Vogels calls it verification debt. 96% think bridge unsafe. 48% peak down. How break this cycle? Framework that works? But industry's response? Contradictions so big, it's hilarious. Industry yells, don't learn code, but hires systems wizards. Ditch juniors for AI? Kills senior pipeline. No institutional knowledge. AI patterns only. No business grasp. Domain blind. Talent crisis brewing. Roles shift. Author to director. Decompose systems, orchestrate AI. Audit output. No typists. Need directors spotting hallucinations. Telling folks skip coding while needing code whisperers? Self-inflicted. Like axing apprentices, fast today, no masters tomorrow. So contradiction? Skill that counts, auditing code, not writing it. Here's the four-phase compounding system. Each builds next. Phase 1, debugging first, audit before author. Phase 2, reverse advance. Read mature open-source pre-apps. Phase 3, long half-life cores. Git, system design, databases, REST APIs. Phase 4, Agentic Orchestration. Direct AI like junior dev. Overlap, yeah. Order crucial. Skip one. All collapses. Targets author to director shift. Compound interest vibe. Skip deposit. No growth. So let's hit actions, tools, metrics per phase. Phase 1. Debugging first. Audit busted AI code. No original writing yet. Bibabo.ai. Early 2026. AI first platform. Gamified. No initial syntax grind. Success? Eyeball AI code. Spot logical flaws, not syntax. Verbally explain fails. No run needed. Why wrong return? Loop skips first? Syntax linters catch easy. Logic? Your gap. 45% hate almost right AI. This fixes. Reading careful? Top 2026 skill. Beats framework certs. Doc training now pays dev salary. What debugging first look like? Bibabo.ai. Logical spots. Verbal metric. But skip phase 1? Straight to build. Disaster. 45% flag almost right AI as debug hell. Passes basics. Hides logic bombs. Off by one loops. No input val. Shitty queries. Surfaces weeks later. Embedded thousands lines. Fourfold cloning. Errors multiply. 96% no full trust. 48% verify. Can't hunt bugs you can't read. GPS. 99% spot on. Dumps you lakeside. Confidence kills. So phase 2? Read code like critic. Pre-write. Phase 2. Reverse advance. Read mature open source first. Starters. 30 seconds of code. JS utils. Mozilla Firefox repo. Docs Gold. React. Copy snippet.